Hey my beauties, it's Miss Unique Beauty in the building and I'm back with another video. If you are new to my channel, tap that subscribe button so that you won't miss out on any of my new uploads. And if you have already subscribed, what's good, what's poppin', welcome back to my channel. The first item that you will need is this 4x4 mesh cap that I got on Amazon. I will leave the link to this cap in the description box below. You will also need T-pins to hold this cap down onto your mannequin head securely, a crochet needle of course, and the hair of your choice. This hair was sent to me by a company called One More Hair on Amazon. I will leave the link to this hair in the description box below as well, and I chose this green color. I love this color. It's so pretty, it's so vibrant, and we're gonna do some fun things with this color. Now they also sent me a crochet needle and some hair beads. I'm not sure if this will be included in everybody's package, but it was definitely included in mine. The first thing I'm going to do is secure this mesh cap onto my mannequin head so that I can get it to not move around while I'm trying to crochet and get this hair onto this cap. Now I'm going to begin by taking a small piece of that green hair and crocheting it into the cap, and I only loop it through one time. Now I'm going to take a thicker piece of hair and I'm just going to manually create a box braid. Now this is just a regular 3-strand braid. If you do not know how to attach hair and do a box braid, you can just continue to crochet more hair close to that area and then do a normal 3-strand braid. This hair is pre-feathered hair, and because it's pre-feathered, you want to make sure that when you're creating your box braids with this hair, you braid it all the way down to the end, as far down as you can go, because it just looks neater that way. This is what this box braid is looking like once I've completed braiding it all the way down to the end. Now I'm going to show you guys how to do 2 more box braids and then I'll be right back. One thing that I do want to make sure that I mention is that when you are crocheting these strands into your cap, you want to make sure that you're taking small pieces. You do not want to use large pieces because then it won't look secure. The knot at the top won't look secure and it will look kind of too lumpy. So you want to make sure that you're using small strands at a time, and then when you go in and add your thicker strand to complete your box braid, that's where you'll get the actual size of box braid for your hair. You can make your box braids as big or as small as you want them to be. What I went ahead and did was crocheted all that loose green hair in, just so I know exactly where I wanted to place them, to make sure that they were staggered, and also to make sure that this ponytail would look full. I went ahead and mapped it all out with just inserting these crochet hairs in. This item right here I also got from Amazon. I will leave the link to this item in the description box below. And what I did was I used it to place all of my pre-divided strands onto it, so that when I'm ready and I need to use them, I could just grab and go. I don't have to keep dividing the hair as I'm going. It allowed me to move a lot faster. Now this is what this box braid ponytail is looking like. Once I've completed box braiding this entire ponytail, I literally have one strand left that I'm also going to be doing on camera, just so you guys can see what the end process is looking like. Now I did go ahead and add more strands in towards the top, just so I can make sure that top section is covered correctly and that there's no spaces or gaps in the front, so that when you put this ponytail on, you won't see any gaps or anything like that in your ponytail. This box braid drawstring ponytail took me probably about an hour and a half to fully complete. I don't think that's long at all. Mind you, it's only a drawstring ponytail, so it's just a small section that I'm completing. Now if I had to do this all over an entire wig cap, it would definitely take me a little bit longer, but I thought that this was also a quick and easy way you can achieve a drawstring ponytail. And now your box braid drawstring ponytail is fully complete. Once you've completed your box braid drawstring ponytail, you want to make sure that you dip these ends in boiling hot water. You do not want to use microwave water. That water will not set this hair properly. You want to make sure you're boiling your water on the stove and making sure that it is actually really hot water. Then you just want to dip the ends. You don't have to dip all the way at the roots, just the ends in to smooth and seal in those ends. Now I did not show the process of me dipping this hair in hot water on camera. If you guys do want to see that in another video with some other hair, I will do that as well. But I will be making another video on me trying this drawstring ponytail onto my head, so stay tuned for that video. Now I'm just trying to show you guys what this ponytail will look like once it's pulled all the way up. Now when it's on your head, you will have a little bit more length because the net part will be around your actual ponytail, so you'll have a little bit more length on the end than what I'm showing you here, but this is what it will look like when you pull it up into a ponytail. In this video, I was able to show you guys how to create your own box braid drawstring ponytail from scratch using a 3-strand braid. Now if you do not know how to add your own hair, you can just crochet a few strands in the same area and then just proceed with a 3-strand braid. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below any questions that you may have, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye my beauties!